Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys Echo Park's warehouse sale. This is not a mystery box sale, so you get to choose and pick out whatever you guys want to get, and it's free shipping if you order something over $50. So it's going on from today through March 27th, and let's get into it. So they have a lot of categories, as you guys could see here. The only one I'm not seeing is like stamps, but they literally have all of their categories for the most part. So looking into the first one, collection kits, they got this beautiful Valentine's Day one that is my all-time favorite Valentine's Day collection called the Cupid and Co. They got fall, wintry ones. They've got a lot of good stuff. School, Disney, winter, animals, more fall. Oh, and actually I need to place an order I got to go through my stash before I place the order, but I noticed they have 3 different 4th of July collection kits. Finally, guys, finally. I've been waiting for 4th of July because I don't have a lot of 4th of July paper. So I did find some of those. They also have a ton of Christmas, farmhouse, and a bunch of those, but let me show you guys the other 2. And they got summer. Look, they got summer ones. I've used that one a ton before. So hold on, let me show you guys this one. This is the Let Freedom Ring 4th of July collection, and they have one more. This one right here, God Bless America. And this one, I love this paper on the side. If you guys could see, it's beautiful florals. So I gotta see in my stash what I have, what I don't have, and I gotta order some of that for sure. So I'm not gonna go through all of this. I mean, I just did actually. So they have 2 pages of collection kits. They got solid paper. So if you have some of these collections in your stash, or if you're just trying to match to some other collection, I mean, they have the 4th of July one right there if you guys wanted to get that with the 4th of July collection, but they also have some matching ones, and then maybe you just have some in your stash where you want some colors. Like I said, I like to get Christmas all the time because I have a lot of Christmas paper and I can mix and match with a bunch of Christmas papers and not just that particular collection. So here are the 6x6 paper pads. I think these were like at a discount. Let me see. They're $4 each or 3 for $10, and actually their solids were $3 each or 10 for $25, and their collection kits are $7.50 each or 4 for $25 or 10 for $60. So if you get 10, you're really paying $6 for each of them. But anyway, so they have some summer for these 6x6 paper pads. I love this spooky collection also. I really like that Halloween one. They got some like Playdate ones, so like playground and fun stuff for kids. Lots of Christmas, and they have, I think there's like 4 pages of this stuff. Farmhouse Summer, Animal Kingdom, baby ones. There's football and basketball, and they also have the 6x6 in 4th of July, which I'm just gonna have to get that one also because I love it, and I don't have any 6x6 for 4th of July. Here's that football one. A pool party, that's also a really great collection. I love that one. Oh no, there's only 2 pages of this. Oh, some of them already sold out. There was more before. I remember this one being more, so I gotta get on that. Okay, here are the mega pads. These are $5 each. These might have some kind of a discount also. Yeah, $5 each or 3 for $12. That saves you $3. So they got Christmas, some fall, the farmhouse summer, baby, wedding, Disney one like the Believe in Magic, Christmassy ones. And yeah, that's all they got for that. Then they have chipboard. You can mix and match with collections you have, or see which one might match to your collection and just pick some up. Like the wedding ones, I feel like those match with a bunch of collections. Those are always great to have in this one also. I have a bunch already, so I'm not gonna get any chipboard, but they got Christmas, fall, lots of stuff. If you guys like to add dimension to your projects, here you go. And they have 2 pages of chipboard. And here's page 2. I saw some pool party, winter, and I'm not gonna go through all of that. You guys could check it out. Here is some ephemera. So they have a ton of ephemera also. I'm not gonna pick up any of these also, but I really do like the spooky ephemera. I'm trying to get like not the frames and tags and just get like the ephemera. Maybe I will get that. I can't help it. Okay. So yeah, they got other ones also, so you guys can look through this, see what collections you guys might need. But just to tell you, they have 2 pages of that also, but the second page is maybe like halfway. So then they also have enamel dots. These are $3 each. I really wish that they would do like make it cheaper, like maybe like 5 for $10 or something, because I feel like $3 is still kind of expensive. I would love them for like $2. It would be fantastic. But I love the colors, like this farmhouse summer one, the neutrals. I really love it. I always cut up mine so I don't leave them with the collection. I cut mine up by color. But I really love them. I love enamel dots. So they have those. They have sticker books. I have a few of these in my cart. I have a couple of Christmas, a fall one in my cart, and a baby boy one, because why not? But you know what? Now that I'm looking at this farmhouse sticker book looks really cute. I want to see what the stickers look like on the inside. So if you click on it, you can see like all the pages on the inside, and I love these word ones. But no, that's not going to match with a lot of other collections. Like I think I would need something like the pool party one or something if they were to have that, which I do not see. No, I don't see a pool party one. But maybe this is my favorite summer. That one could match. Let me see what that one looks like. No, that's too colorful for me. So no, I'm not going to get any summery ones, but I do have Christmas and fall in my cart. So those are the sticker books. Then they have sticker sheets. These are $2 each, and I think these have our sale too. Yeah, you could get 10 for $15. So they have Christmas, summer, and oh, I really like this sticker sheet, the Santa Claus Lane. Oh, but wait, do I even have that? I don't know. I really like that one. That's a nice one. Okay, so yeah, definitely look through this stuff, see what you guys would want to get. I mean, there's some things that I don't need, but some things I'm getting like 6x6, like I'm getting 2 of the Santa Claus Lane for 6x6, so I could use, you know, the sticker sheet. Then they have the decorative brads. These are just stick-on brads and a little bit of chipboard pieces, so you can look through these, see what you want to get for in terms of embellishments for collections that you may already have. They also have puffy stickers, and these are great because they're actually a lot smaller than like the sticker sheets or the chipboard. So if you're making a smaller project, these are fantastic, or if you're using them to make some embellishments and layer, and yeah, these are great. So they have the puffy stickers, and then they also have a couple of albums where you could get the inserts inside also. I don't think they have any inserts this time around, but a couple albums. They have a ton of stencils, like these stencil things, which I guess this is good for ink blending if you do a lot of inking kind of things. They don't have stamps, and I don't see embossing folders, but if you're like a card maker and you like to play with like ink blending and stuff, like this is a great option. Then they also have, oh, they do have the photo sleeves. So if you were going to get an album, here you go. Here's some photo sleeves for those albums. I think you need like a 6x8 for those albums. I'm not entirely sure. You have to read the measurements, but I do have some of these photo sleeves in my stash also. And then last but not least, we have the paper pads, the 12x12 paper pads. They only have these 2, but if you're looking for these specifically, $5 is a great price for the whole entire 12x12 24 sheet paper pad. All right, guys, so that is everything for the Echo Park warehouse sale. Definitely check it out. No, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to let you guys know what they have available right now, so I wanted to share. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.